Okay, then we come back to here. Yeah, so we're done with that. So the next one is apply theme, and you're gonna do the same thing. First you copy, then go to the next line, change it to that. Okay, of course you can do any color that you want to do. Right here we're just doing the subtitle as underline. Okay, so I'm just gonna give it regular and then underline. Okay, then you go back to your assignment page. So if you want to use the theme, you're gonna go to design and then theme. Okay, so let's go back here and paste it. Okay, I don't need to underline this. So here is your navigation, how to go to themes. And so if I click on the design tab here, you can see all the themes, right, ready-made for you. And you can go all the way down to the end. Okay, so let me close this type box, and you will do the same thing. Okay, there are different themes here, so that's under document formatting, and here is your color, your fonts, effects, and then you can also set to default whatever you want to do. Okay, so we do the same thing. Yeah, we have already copied a text here, so I'm just going to use the same thing here. Okay, so if you click on the theme, yeah, it's going to just show you right away. Okay, I'm going to just put it to the next page here. Of course, you can copy some more text, right, in order to make it look a little bit full here. Yeah, and then okay, let's copy it again to the next one. Okay, if you want to change another theme, then you can see how different they are, right? Then I'm going to do another one. Okay, then I'm going to do the next theme. Yeah, and if you want to put the title here, that's also good, so that way you can be able to see how the heading changes. I'm just showing you example how to do it, but of course you can put the title if you want to in your theme. Okay, like this. So I'm just gonna pretend like this is a title. So let's go back, and of course that's going to be my title. Just going to give a heading 1 here. Yeah, see how different the theme is now. Yeah, so if I choose this theme and then I put right there, okay, and I'm going to choose heading 1, okay, and let's go back to the design, and all I have to do is just copy that, and you can change. All right, so see how different the title, this title and that title. Of course, right now is this the example, they're fused together. And so when you take a look at what it was before, it was like that. Okay, as soon as I change different theme, you can see how different they look. Okay, and that's what I want you to do. Okay, so you have to have the path, which is your navigation. In your exam, if I ask you, okay, go ahead and show me how to change themes in your document design or document formatting, you will have to show me this. Right, go to design tab and then theme. And if I give you a sample, right, like this, you can be able to change that. Okay, different theme. You can give me like 1 or 2 sample and that's fine. Okay, that theme and this theme is not the same. See how different they are. So first you can copy this, and second you can show me different, right? Theme on it, and I don't care about the content. Okay, definitely don't care about the content. Okay, that's how I want you to do your assignment. Okay, so when I look at your assignment, then I should see the navigation, right? Showing you where the tab is, what's in it, and what I'm doing, the function at the end, okay? Followed by, if you have sample, right, document formatting, for example, here we have different styles, show me that, okay? And here we have different themes. I show you only one here, and I show you how to change different ones. But of course, I wanted to copy that, all right? All the themes that we have, so you can be able to see how different they are. So whatever your Microsoft Word, the people prepare in different way. But right now, you can be able to professionally prepare your document. It should always look perfect like this, okay? Anyway, so this is your detailed instruction how to do your assignment, okay? And you can come back to it. It doesn't matter what you're preparing, right, for Microsoft Word or Excel or PowerPoint, right? Taking notes for assignment, you're gonna do this way, okay? Yep. All right, so let me start right here. I'm going to upload this sample, yes. So I'll go into footer and write on sample assignment. 1. Okay, that's how I want you to prepare for everything that we do from Word to PowerPoint, okay? So okay, that's it. All right, have a good one.